My name is Mehmet Demiroğlu. I am the CEO of Turkish Aerospace. Turkish Aerospace is a relatively young company, meaning we just started developing our own indigenous platforms last 20 years. But we made a very huge progress in this time frame, and now we own from design to development to testing to manufacturing 13 different big platforms, including fifth generation KAAN fighter, Hürjet, which is behind us, Hürkuş, Gökbey, Atak, Tentan, UAVs in ANKA, Aksungur and ANKA 3, and the space programs, Göktürk, Türksat. All these platforms either designed, developed, and manufactured by us, or tested, or both, basically. And we are expanding globally. Hürjet is designed from the beginning as an advanced trainer as well as light combat configuration. So when you look at the Hürjet, it's not the trainer only. We have two configurations. The third configuration and the fourth configuration is coming in like next 5 years, which is the aircraft or Navy version of it for aircraft carriers, as well as combat version of it. These two configurations, the trainer and the light combat, is already in production, and the others will be coming in next couple of years. We know that the trainers of many countries are getting old, so they need a replacement. Japan needs a replacement. Malaysia is looking for a replacement, and many other countries. So Hürjet is positioned to be a cost-competitive, cost-effective version of both trainers, advanced trainers, as well as light combat. It can reach up to 1.4 Mach, which not many trainers can or are able to do so. And it has also very advanced avionics. We are very competitive in UAV areas as well. Our platforms, ANKA and Aksungur, have performed and proven in the battlefield that they have a very good performance in terms of capabilities, in terms of cost effectiveness. The running cost per hour is one of the best in its class. Aksungur, for example, can remain in the air for more than 2 days. Observations and monitoring, reconnaissance, intelligence capabilities. We own all the technology in our UAVs, so we can integrate anything. We can upgrade all the systems. We can also work with the end users and integrate their systems to ANKA or Aksungur or even ANKA 3. So that gives us huge flexibility when it comes to answering the needs of our customers. We are also very good at logistical support. We know that buying a good aircraft is not enough. You have to maintain for the during the life of its aircraft. So we are good at that, and we are working with end users, tailoring our packages according to their needs. We are also ready to technology transfer. Nobody wants to buy a product and then start using it. They want more. They want to increase their involvement from their local infrastructure for local supply chain. Also, they want to have a technology transfer for their countries. So we already developed these type of models and packages for each end user and tailoring to their requirements. As you know, we delivered UAVs to Malaysia, we delivered UAVs to Indonesia, and we delivered helicopters, attack helicopters to Philippines, and we are growing our bases, product bases, as well as our footprint in these countries. We have 120 employees, engineers in Malaysia, more than 60 in Indonesia, and we are growing these. every year. We believe we need to invest these countries, South Asia, more than what we are investing right now. We need to do this together. It is not just one-sided. We need to leverage their human resources to our projects. We need to leverage their infrastructure, manufacturing infrastructure, and other technologies that they have and we need. So we need to merge them to give better answer to their needs, and we are ready to do so, and we are already doing it. We believe Southeast Asia is going to grow not only in military area, also in civilian aviation, and we are ready for that journey with them together. And we have many solutions, and we are already working in those solutions, and we are trying to tailor our approaches and models to the needs of South Asia. And we believe that the future is going to be much brighter together.